Welcome to this tutorial on how to install Interactive Brokers. Start by visiting the Interactive Brokers website. Look for the download section, which is usually found on the homepage. Choose the version appropriate for your operating system, whether it is Windows, Mac, or another platform. Once you find the correct download link, click on it and initiate the download process. After the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation. A setup wizard will appear guiding you through the process. Follow the prompts on the screen, accepting the terms and conditions. You may also want to customize the installation location if you prefer a different folder from the default option. Once the installation is finished, launch the Interactive Brokers application. You will be prompted to log in or create an account if you do not already have one. If you are creating a new account, fill in the required personal information and follow the indicated steps to verify your identity and set up your account. This process may take some time, so be prepared to check your email for confirmation. After your account has been successfully set up and you have logged in, take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform. Explore the various features, such as market research tools, trading options, and account management. Make sure to check out any available tutorials or help sections to ensure you are comfortable using the software. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to install Interactive Brokers.